To Interior Design's YouTube channel. IKEA, renowned for its contemporary and budget-friendly furniture, continues to deliver innovative chair designs that are both stylish and functional. Their commitment to accessible design is evident in the plethora of innovative chair options available, from modular and space-saving solutions to chairs with built-in storage. IKEA consistently pushes the boundaries of what a chair can offer. These designs are not just about aesthetics, but also about addressing practical needs in our everyday lives. In addition, the materials used in IKEA's chair designs are carefully chosen for durability and sustainability, aligning with their dedication to environmental responsibilities. Many of these chairs are seamlessly blend into a variety of home decor styles, making them versatile choices for any living space. Moreover, the ergonomic consideration in their designs ensure that comfort is never sacrificed for style, whether it's sleek, minimalist dining chair or a cozy armchair. IKEA's commitment to innovative chair designs is evident in each piece they produce. These chairs wide range of consumers looking to enhance their living spaces with affordable yet innovative furniture. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Designs channel.